We often think about blue almonds. Sometimes we have flies up our noses or fall from the Christmas tree. Why? Find out from today's episode of In Plain Polish. Every language has its specific idioms, expressions, and sayings, and some of them are pretty funny to the foreigners. Polish is no exception, so let's examine the most popular Polish sayings. Co ma piernik do wiatraka? What does gingerbread have to do with a windmill? Well, we use this expression to let somebody know that we see no connection between two things. Like, for example, when somebody invites you to a party and you tell them you can't come because you have to get up early the next morning. Co ma piernik do wiatraka? By the way, do you know which Polish city is famous for its gingerbread? That's right, Toruń. So, if you happen to be in Toruń, don't forget to put gingerbread tasting on your to-do list. But back to the topic, here's another expression. To nie ma rąk ani nóg. It has no arms or legs. When something has no arms or legs, it simply makes no sense. I wonder if the Polish snakes and snails are okay with it. Some of the upcoming expressions may make you shout, To nie ma rąk ani nóg. Take this one, for example. Polish people are pretty straightforward. We don't beat around the bush. We say things prosto z mostu, straight from the bridge. What does the bridge have to do with it? But come to think of it, what does the bush have to do with it? If you are uninformed and what you say is surprising or unexpected in a given situation, you'll probably hear, Z choinki się urwałeś? Have you fallen from the Christmas tree? And if you are trying to present a distorted image of something, like, for example, when you've eaten somebody's pierogi and you're trying to convince them that you were only trying to save those pierogi from going to waste, you'll be told not to turn the cat around by its tail. Nie odwracaj kota ogonem. Technically speaking, turning the cat around by its tail is not lying, but it makes people dostać kota. Get a cat. When something makes you get a cat, it drives you crazy. I personally get a cat when somebody tries to stick me in a bottle or make me into a horse. Nabić kogoś w butelkę, to stick somebody in a bottle, or zrobić kogoś w konia, to make somebody into a horse, means to deceive or to fool someone. And what about you? What makes you dostać kota? Polish people aren't absent-minded or deeply absorbed in thought. We like to think about blue almonds. Myśleć o niebieskich migdałach. We don't like nitpicking. We prefer to look for a hole in the hole. And we're never grumpy or sulky. We simply have flies up our noses. Makes sense, doesn't it? Well, even if you think it doesn't, let's not look for a hole in the hole. Now, if you liked this video and if you would like more examples of bizarre Polish sayings, I encourage you to take the quiz I've prepared, and in order to do that, you have to click the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye!